Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing this purple grungy makeup look. I love it so much. I was just in the mood for like a very grungy type makeup vibe, and this is what I came up with. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with eyes. Today I want to do like what you guys seen in the intro, like a very grungy, like dark makeup look. I don't really know why. I'm just kind of in the mood for like a grungy vibe. Yeah, and I feel like I haven't done a dark, like, I mean, I did do kind of like a grungy look with my sunset look. It was a little bit grungy, but it was like colorful too, so that doesn't really count. But today I want to do like dark vibes. So I got my black on, got my eyes set, and let's just get started. I think I'm gonna do like purpley type vibes, but also like black. But first I'm just gonna take this palette, which is the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. I love this palette, as you can see. I'm gonna take the second purple in that palette and just blend that into the crease, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush for this. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe M504 brush. I'm gonna take the darkest purple and just put that on the outer corner and blend that into the crease. I'm also going to build it up on the inner corner. I think I'm going to do a halo eye because, again, it's been such a long time since I did a halo eye. I'm going to take the Morphe M330 brush. I'm going to take the black next to that purple and just put that on the outer corner and blend it into the crease. I'm also going to put it in the inner corner. I'm going to take this Morphe like big pencil brush. I'm just going to take the black and place it on the outer corner. And then again in the inner corner of our eye. Okay, now I want like a shimmery lid, so I'm gonna take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, the third shade in the fourth row, which is like a shimmery purple shade. I'm just gonna take that on a flat brush and just put that in the middle of our lid. Let's take the silver shade and just pop that in the middle. Yeah, that's pretty. So pretty. I love that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take some black eyeliner and line my lid with that. Now I'm just gonna do my foundation and all that good stuff really quickly. I'm not gonna talk I'm not gonna talk through my foundation because y'all see me do my foundation 101 times. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly and then I'll come back. Well, no, not like I'll show you guys how I'm doing it. Like I'll speed through it, but I'm not gonna like talk about it. I'm so bad at explaining things, but yeah, let me just do my foundation really quickly. So I did my foundation, all that good stuff. Now we're going to move on to under eyes. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the Morphe M382 brush, and we're going to take the darkest purple in that Makeup Revolution palette. And just pop that under our eyes. I think that's good. I don't think I want my under eyes to be too dark. I think that's good. This is so pretty. I love it. Okay, and now for lips. I'm just going to do nude lip, I think. So I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Coffee Bean. I'm gonna take their Velvety Matte lipstick in the shade Muted and just pop that in the middle of our lips. Cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put on a lash. For lash, I think I'm gonna take these lashes that I got from Shein. I like them. They're very like wispy and stuff, so I think I'm gonna take those. Okay guys, so this is the finished purple grungy look. I love it so much. It really cured my need for like a grungy makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 300 subscribers. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.